Penny the pig! Penny! I'm out at my cousin's. This is great. And got goats and a pig and chickens. This is really, really cool. Here's the goats. Goats! Goats are great. You got your head stuck in there, dude. You can't get... you gotta get your head out. Oh my goodness. Goats. Goats roll. Ow! Don't bite my finger, dude. Hey, Penny! This is fun. And here comes, I think, my niece to beat me with something. What do you got, a costume on? Are you Rainbow Bride or something? Or are you somebody from that Twilight movie? Are you a vampire?
Yes.
You are? Go let one of those goats bite you.
They don't.
Oh, one just tried to bite me. Hey, Madison!
Hi.
Hello!
I'm coming.
Are you?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm going here.
You going there?
Here. So I can get them. Oh, this is so cute. Can you go see the river?
It's a pond, it ain't a river. You want me to throw you in it?
No!
I oblige. There's some chickens over there. They'll help me throw you in. Here, look, there's one behind you. It's like, I'll throw you in.